Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix the unusual activity detected on ElevenLabs. Now first of all, this issue is usually because they have detected that you're probably using, multiple accounts on the same IP address. And by the way, a VPN will not work. So they disable your free tier usage even if you have someone else in the house who's using the same IP, has a different account, that will still get this error. So one way to get around this is by going ahead and getting this plan. The minimum one is starter, which is $5 a month. This one, you don't get that issue. Now, understand some people might not be able to pay for it. So what you can do is go ahead and use a hotspot, right? Because VPNs don't work. So I want you to switch to mobile data and use it, or you can go ahead and open up a hotspot on your phone and then get the connection on your PC, and that way you'll be able to still use it, okay? That is the only workaround so far, unless you decide to buy the starter plan. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.